Okay, everybody, it's winter now, and as you can see, I've got the electric motor mounted on the adapter plate for the transmission, and inside I have an adapter to adapt the shaft of the electric motor to the shaft of the transmission. Right now I just have a couple extension, no, jumper cables running in the passenger side to some batteries. Unfortunately, I don't yet have a motor controller. I must ask you guys, please help me build this electric car. You can check it out at gofundme.com/electrometro. That's ECLECTROMETRO. So Electro Metro. Like I said, that's gofundme.com/electrometro. Please help me build this thing. I am short on money, and I'm just barely piecing this thing together. I've been working at it for a few years now, unfortunately. So please donate or send equipment, whatever you can to help me make this a possibility. Alright, thank you.